In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right NCBA mobile banking app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So to distinguish which is the right NCBA bank for you, first I'll delete the app before we begin the walkthrough. To get started, look for Google Play Store app on your smartphone if you're on Android. However, if you're on iPhone, you should look for App Store. Tap on this, and because I'm on Android, I'll log in with my Gmail before I can search for my app. If you can see the search bar, you should see a search icon down below. Tap on it to activate search, then search the app by name. I just search by NCBA, just like that, and then run the search. And as you can see, we have our app here. So to know that is the right app, tap on it to see more details. Make sure first it is from Craft Silicon. This is the official company that made this app. And also, this is the current icon. At the time of recording this, NCBA Now, this is an universal app, had a star rating of 4.8 with over 48,000 reviews and over 500,000 downloads. The current file size is around 69 MBs. So if you see these details, then you will know that you have the right NCBA bank. However, if you want to download or install for specific country, then scroll down and you should see, for instance, we have NCBA Uganda app here. You can download and install it from here. Or if you want NCBA Now UG, it is here. Now to install, just tap on install. And this will download the latest version of NCBA Mobile Banking app and finally install it on your smartphone. Once it is installed, now you can open it from here, or you can go to your apps and tap on it to open. So that's how you can install the right NCBA bank app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video.